So my name is Dylan Hicks. I am a fourth year electrical engineering major, and I have a def in machine learning controls. It's kind of a mix between, a bit of hardware, software, AI, stuff like that. So I know a whole bunch of people when they, come to UCSD, they might see us tabling or at an event, and they might look at all those E's and be like, God, and I'm like, that's a bunch of that's electrical engineering. I'm not sure if I want to do that. But in reality, I'd say that IEEE across the world is really multidisciplinary. In fact, IEEE is the #1 publisher of computer science topics. Like there's a whole bunch of different things that we can do, and especially here at UCSD, we are not just hardware. Like most of our projects require computer science and mechanical engineering majors pretty frequently. So really across the board, we need engineering majors for our robotics projects and also, just in technical workshops as well. But just kind of the things we offer, of course, projects. That's one of the biggest things that we do. We offer projects to over 300 students a year. We pay for all of these projects and these parts, and all of them kind of revolve around a competition-based thing. So all great fun. These projects revolve from really basic, something you can do in your freshman year with basically zero experience, all the way to being a third and fourth year where you have a bunch of experience and a bunch of specified classes. We can work on a big robotics project, for example, a self-driving car project, or example, a robot that plays soccer. We have a whole bunch of different projects for that. In addition, we also offer technical workshops. So if you're not, if students aren't really familiar with a lot of the technical aspects, they can learn them in technical workshops. So we have things like, intro to Arduino, intro to Python. We host a machine learning boot camp, which is fun. So a lot of different ways for students to learn. And a whole bunch of different things to really help students find their home at UCSD. We have outreach events, so we could reach out to our communities and show young kids about engineering. We have professional and corporate events, so if you're trying to find a job, learn how to network, those type of things, and even social events. So we really try to be as social as possible, and really hope that people will not only learn new skills and get a job, but also find their friends in our club as well. How many students are involved in IEEE now? So we are the second largest student branch in the entire nation. So we are a very big branch. We have over 625 members. These are IEEE members who are affiliated with us, not even the amount of people who participate in our events and projects. So yeah, we over 300 students a year participate in our projects, and yeah, it's a lot of students, and we really do have a lot of demand for our projects, but we really make as much as possible so that as many people can get experience as possible. And why do I recommend new students get involved? Honestly, I think that IEEE is the really only place where you can really get it all. The professional networking is bar none to any other professional organization, not only on campus, but across the world. IEEE is a huge organization. It's great to get involved now. And just because the amount of projects that we really do, I mean, I basically did all of my starting projects within IEEE, and it really helped me get my first internship, my second internship, and hopefully my job. It really set me up for success. And if you become an officer as well, really teaching you leadership and social skills that you don't really learn in classes. We really try to help students get things that they won't get out of classes. Make sure to join a club. Any club. It doesn't have to be IEEE or an engineering organization. Make sure to join a club, make friends, have fun. I know a lot of us go here for, school. This is a fantastic school, but make sure that you enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, you won't love what you do and really want to put in the work to come out as a great engineering student. UCSD is hard. You kind of get a culture shock when you come from high school. High school, we might think that we take 5 or 6 AP classes and might think that we're so smart, but when you get into an engineering course, that is hard. That is a lot harder than anything you've ever taken before. So make sure to be prepared for that and be ready to put in a lot of work.